7 important things you need to know before you start a faceless YouTube channel. So you've heard a lot of people talk about how profitable a faceless YouTube channel is. And yes, it is. But nobody is telling you what you need to know before you start. So you'll be able to grow fast, get monetized, and even make videos that go viral. So in today's video, I'm handing it over to you. 7 important things you need to know before you start a faceless YouTube channel. This will help you grow really fast, get monetized, and not burn out. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that faceless YouTube channel doesn't have to cost a lot of money before you start making money. A lot of big faceless channels out there are making tons of money on a daily basis, yet they don't invest a lot in creating their videos. Some of the amazing things about faceless channel is that they don't require fancy equipment. You don't even have to outsource. Now, this is why it's called faceless. You don't have to spend a lot of money on equipment, gadgets, gears, cameras, and all of that. So if you've always wanted to start a faceless channel and how much you're going to spend has been the reason holding you back, well, here I am telling you that it doesn't have to be that expensive. Next, content quality matters more than quantity. We are not going to see your face. So the only thing that will make us enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel and come back for more, is the quality of the content you give us. If you're going to grow your faceless YouTube channel and get monetized and even create videos that go viral, you need to pay close attention to the content quality. Editing is actually another thing that will make your content very appealing. When we talk about content quality, we are talking about information and entertainment. So if you are going to create videos that are faceless, that will grow really fast and get monetized, you need to create what we call edutainment content. Your content should educate us and also entertain us. Remember, we don't see your face. So the only thing that will help us stay back is that you are entertaining us even as you are educating us. It doesn't matter the niche you're playing in. You can always create edutainment content in your field. So think of it. Think of those big YouTubers that are doing well already in your niche that are faceless. See what they do. See how they're able to get attention of your target audience, and then see what you learn from them. This brings us to the next important thing you need to know if you want to grow a faceless YouTube channel that makes a lot of money. Study and reverse engineer viral videos. The fastest way to grow a faceless channel is to study successful videos in your niche and replicate what they have done. I'm not saying copy what they did. I'm saying learn from them and create something as close as possible in your own word. So here's what you're going to do. Pick up a viral video and watch the video to the end to understand what actually makes this video viral. What is it about this video that a lot of people are watching and enjoying? So the next is to analyze their titles, thumbnails, and structures. And if that video is going viral already, it means that your audience likes it, your audience is interested in it. Now you've understood what makes this video very appealing to your target audience. Go on and recreate it in your own word. Remember, avoid copying videos without improving on them. Next, take advantage of all the AI tools. Yes, AI can help you, but don't rely on it completely. The essence of using AI is to make your workflow easy and better. So here's what you're going to do. Make a list of all the things you need help with and think of AI tools that will help you achieve them, making it even better for you. For example, when it comes to scripting the video, ChatGPT will help. Here are a couple of places you need the help of AI. Brainstorming video ideas, scripting, voiceover, and even images and video clips you'll be using in your video. If you're able to get AI tools that will help you do all of this, you are going to make quality videos as fast as possible without burning out. And if you're able to do this, that means you'll be able to make at least 1 video every single day in that niche. This makes it super easy to grow the YouTube channel, and before you know it, you're creating a video that goes viral. Next is to reinvest your revenue the very moment you're monetized and the channel starts making money. This is something a lot of people miss out on. If you grow a YouTube channel and the channel starts making money for you, the first thing to do is not to spend the money. No. See YouTube as a business. Reinvest whatever profit you made. If you reinvest the profit, you're going to double and even multiply your process and the revenue. So here are a couple of places to reinvest this money. In getting more hands to help you with content creation, investing in pro versions of the AI tools you use. This alone will help you create more videos. If you've been making 3 videos a week, with the help of AI tools, pro versions of those AI tools, you'll be able to make one video daily. Don't forget, there are faceless channels that make like 3 videos every single day. So if you're going to compete favorably, grow really fast as they do, you need to increase your quantity. So, yes, reinvest the profit, make more videos, hire more people to help with scripting, with editing, and a lot of other things you need to be done. Increase quality of your content. When you reinvest the profit, you're able to increase the quality of content you make, and with improved quality, growth is certain. I mean, you start making videos that go viral. Next, choose a profitable niche, an evergreen niche. When it comes to growing a faceless YouTube channel, the niche you are playing in matters a lot. There are niches that you play in, getting views gets so easy and fast, and that's why you see those niches getting 1 million views on their videos 2 days after uploading the video, 10 million views in 10 days. I made this video here talking about 10 profitable faceless niches you should start right now. You need to watch this video because it's going to educate you, open your eyes to niches that are very profitable, the ones that are not profitable, and even examples of channels that are already doing well in those niches. If you don't want to waste your time, if you don't want to get into a stage you start regretting why you even started the channel in the first place, you need to go on and watch the video. The link is contained in the description. The next is to understand how you are going to monetize this channel. It is important to set this goal as early as possible because it will even guide you on the niche you are going to start creating videos on. Google AdSense is great, but it's not the only way to monetize. There are certain niches, certain topics you talk about in your faceless channel. You will be able to make money in many more ways than just AdSense. For example, niches like tech and gadget reviews will help you make a lot of money as soon as you start the channel. Reason being that when you are done reviewing the gadget, you just go on and add the affiliate link of that product you just reviewed. And if the video starts doing well, everybody is clicking on the link and you earn a reasonable percentage from the sales you realize from that video. So yes, monetization is something you need to pay serious attention to even before you create the channel. And finally, it's not too late to start a faceless channel. I don't care how many people that have told you that this is saturated. It is not saturated. If you start today and you are giving value, massive value in your content, we are going to start watching your videos. So don't listen to anybody telling you that faceless channel is saturated, because no, it's not. Stop delaying, stop giving excuses, get started. You may not know everything now, and you don't need to know everything to start. You learn as you go. Even your content gets better as you go. So stop this analysis paralysis. Get on YouTube and start creating content. The biggest part of making faceless videos is voiceover. So you generated your script and you're looking for that sweet voice you're going to use to convert your script, the text, to a video. I discovered this amazing AI voiceover tool that does it in a way you can't imagine. I've been using this tool to make videos for my faceless channels and it's amazing. It's so affordable that anyone can afford it. So if you like to learn exactly how to make faceless video from beginning to the end, the tools you need, the gadgets, the strategies, even step by step how faceless video is generated, I shared all of this in details in my YouTube course. The module 6 of this course is where I dissected everything about faceless videos. This YouTube course is launching in a few days, so keep your fist crossed because it is everything you need to grow both personal brand channel and faceless videos. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're a small creator, get to the comment section and connect with other creators who are there waiting for you. See you in my next video.